Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a trade review of a trade I took from last week, and then also going over just like a little market forecast, what I think the market is going to do this week. So, yeah, let's jump right into it. So, I have TradingView pulled up, and I'm just going to walk through this trade right here. You can see. It was on March 27th. It was a EU buy, and this is the before screenshot I always take whenever I place a trade, and I journal it that way. And then this is the after screenshot, and you can see the market was pretty choppy that day, but it did end up pushing up and then taking out those highs. So right now, if we go on EU, and we can see that right at New York Open, we had London loads tagged, and then EU continued to fall a little bit. It continued to chop around a bit, and then eventually it breaks structure, and it does that right about here. Nope. Let me see. Yeah, right around here, it breaks structure on the 5 minute. And if we catch up DXY, it takes out those highs and then it starts to push downward, breaking some structure as well. And at this point, this is where I entered the trade. And we had stops under this swing low here, and then targeting up here. And if we continue to let the trade play out, see, we chopped around a little bit, came back to that entry point, and then eventually we started moving to the upside, and then going towards that TP zone. Now I'm going to zoom out to the 15 minute, and then we can continue. And this is pretty much where the trade ended, around here, right before 5 o'clock. And then after that, EU did end up dumping, and then taking out those lows. Uh, had a big gap here. So now if we get out of replay mode and clean this chart up a little bit, now if we go up a couple time frames, you can see that the dollar is on like a little bit of an uptrend. And last week we had like some big movement on Thursday. And Asian session did open and it's looking kind of sideways. So we have some liquidity sitting up here. We also have some liquidity sitting down here as well. And we also have we had liquidity down here and then we grabbed it over here and we started moving to the upside. So there's definitely some bullish momentum on EU. So there is a potential for us to come up here, grab some liquidity, and then continue moving downwards. We are in a bit of a downtrend on EU and an uptrend on the dollar. So yeah, we'll see what happens going into this week. But I would not be surprised at all if we grab some of these liquidity pools up here and then continue the trend downward to the downside. but we'll just have to wait and see. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. Hope you got some value out of it, and catch you on the next one. Peace.